Alright, let's unbox P1Harmony's Lightstick. So I originally was gonna get it when it first came out, but I figured since I was gonna go to Korea anyways, I would get it in Korea. It would just be easier and I wouldn't have to carry it in my luggage, which was a great idea because she literally came here and she was cheap shipping and everything. Yeah, and the only reason I'm really buying it now because I'm going to their concert. She's really light. Get it? Because she's a light stick. So she's really light. Wow, why is the box like, why is she damaged? Like, let me see, ma'am. What the hell is this? Yeah, let's get into it. I haven't really looked into their light stick, so I don't remember what it exactly looks like and what exactly comes in it. Wow, oh my god, she spins in there, yes. Like actually spins, like wow. Wow, she's kind of hefty, like compared to other light sticks. And then we get like a little care package, and then there's nothing else in here. Let's look at that later. Let's look at this beauty. If I can just get her open. Wow, like their little plus signs reminds me of TXT, which is really funny. What the heck is that? Wait, why is it not attached? Wait, can y'all see that? It's not attached, that top part, to the, what? I'm confused. Oh, she could fall off. Oh my god. What the fuck am I supposed to do? Oh my god, look at it spin though. That's so cool. But she can literally fly off if I go too hard. That's so cool. Oh wait, it doesn't go all the way around. I just noticed that. That's fun. I don't think this has Bluetooth. So we get a photo card set. Yeah, looks like a set. And then the strap. Yeah. The user manual. So it just has buttons. Light stick application. Ooh, it does have Bluetooth. But I don't think you need Bluetooth to change the colors. But it doesn't really advertise. Okay, there it is. I don't remember it saying on the website that it's Bluetooth compatible. Let's look at the photo card and then I'll go get batteries. So we have Sir Kyo, though I think all of it's the same. We have Theo, Jiung, Intak, Blue, how cute, Seoul, and Jongseok, how cute. I feel like you could take it off, but I don't know how. Because like people be decorating it and stuff. It'd be cute if you can open it up. Ooh, cute. Should I turn off the lights? Yeah, let me turn off the light. Look at that. There's like a huge crack here though, which makes me assume you can open it on this side too. Ooh. You know, I think this light is actually the brightest of all my light sticks. I feel like. Like the white one, the regular light is like normal, but I think the color ones are a lot more vibrant in color and brighter. Yeah. Well, that's it for the unboxing. Hopefully I'll put up a vlog going to the concert, but I don't know if they'll let us record inside, but I'll still do a vlog of the day of me going. Yeah. Okay. Bye. See y'all at the concert.